So this is what I got, guys.
To hear more about great offers on reliable, safe, and versatile Toyota vehicles, choose from one of the following. Press 1
Homemade lathe.
Press 2 for Tundra. Press 3.
Alright, so this is a sub pump motor that I salvaged. See the switch? 1 speed. Alright, and then I got it. I got a little guard right here because inside I got screws that are on that chuck, and I didn't want to catch my fingers on them when they spin around. It didn't look too safe, you know. So I just threw a little guard there, and this is my tool rest. Nothing special, just a block of oak. Now my little guide here, when I first set it up, it lifted up and wasn't staying true. So I devised a little clamp, keep it down. And then I have my other setup over here. No threaded rods, so I do what I can do with what I got. And tell you what, it came out pretty damn good for fly-by design. So here's a piece I got in the lathe. Now it's going to be a little crazy because it's square cut. So I got my own little clutch, so it doesn't throw the chisel like this. Anyway, you get the idea. There it is, homemade lathe. Got a hole here, and it's just a little dimple on the end here on this piece because of the way it's set up. But put it in there like so. Squeeze the clamp a little bit, and there she goes. Piece is not all perfectly centered there. That's because it's all done and doesn't need to be on the lathe no more. I'll do one more little clip here.
Right now, get 0% APR financing for 60 months on a 2012 Tundra. Or get up to $4,000 cash back on all 2012 Tundras. Toyota-thon is on. This is the
little floater ring.
0% APR for 60 months with $67,000 borrowed. On approved credit from Toyota Financial Services, cash back from Toyota Motor Sales USA Inc. Offers may vary by region. See participating dealer for details. Offers end 1/2/13.
Alright, that's the last piece that was on the lathe. It's got a little floater. In case you guys are wondering, I'm working on making a chessboard. King, queen, bishop, so on and so forth. Well, thanks for watching, guys.